Hello. Welcome to my channel 2-Minute English. Let's master English every day. What's hot today? Female astronauts have to take birth control pills when in space. Why? 1. Ectopic pregnancy risk. In space, microgravity can shift the positions of internal organs, making it challenging to diagnose and manage ectopic pregnancies. This could pose serious health risks to female astronauts if not detected and treated promptly. 2. Menstrual cycle management. Microgravity affects the body's normal functions, potentially altering menstrual cycles. Using birth control pills can help regulate menstrual cycles and alleviate associated issues like menstrual cramps. 3. Medical safety. In certain cases, pregnancy in space can be risky due to factors such as limited access to necessary nutrients or restricted healthcare capabilities. The decision to use birth control pills in space is typically made after consultation with medical professionals and experts to ensure the utmost safety and comfort for female astronauts in the unique microgravity environment. If it's useful, please like, share, and subscribe to master English every day.